Okay guys, so we're in May 2019 and I loaded up an image of a soldier, and what's going to happen here when I activate the texture on this guy is that you will see that it will be transparent, right? So let me just do that. Let me just select this guy, hit 6, there you go, all right? And what you see when I move this guy around here is you can basically look straight through him, right? And that is something that happens on occasion when you import textured models, especially when using PNG files. So I'm going to show you guys how to quickly fix that, right? I mean, you can see the guy's dentals, his teeth floating around. You can see straight through his boots and see his laces and all that kind of stuff, right? So basically we got a couple of texture groups here. I got one for the shoes, I got one for the pants, the coat, and then the skin, head, and so forth, right? So let me just select, we'll start with the head, why not? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit Control A. We're going to go to the attribute editor, right? And then we're going to move over to the right. We're going to go to the body material. And what happened here is that some way it got locked into the transparency node here. So we're going to click on the transparency node. We're going to right click and go to break connection, right? Now, as we do that, you immediately see you can no longer see those teeth floating around, right? So let's do the rest as well. I got the main coat there, transparency, right click, break connection, pants, break connection, shoes, and one more time, break connection. And now that problem is solved. So that's all there's to it, guys. Easy peasy. Now, if you got any questions, as always, let me know in the comments. And that said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on future videos, and see you guys next time. Bye.